Hi there, this is KS Reddy. I'm the founder CEO of Banzai Health. We are headquartered in United Kingdom, Canterbury. We have our registered office at Bombay and our development center at Ahmedabad. We have been operational for the past 4.5 years. We have earned almost around a couple of $1 million for the last 4.5 years, building a next level business platform for clinics, whether it is dental clinics or specialist clinics. We are not a practice management system. None of these healthcare companies out there in the market would have been seeing Practo, Kiwi, Doc on, Doc in the front, Doc at the back, and then you have quite a lot of other companies. We are not competing with them, and they are not our competitors. We solve some very fundamental problems of these clinics. Okay. Fundamental business problems. So, if you take a typical clinic, they get bombarded by medical reps and then health tech companies and medical devices companies. You'll find more of medical reps and then the sales guys at clinics than patients these days because of COVID. Inevitably, every clinic would have purchased at least one of these PMSs, practice management systems. Most of the systems, maybe gathering dust in some corner, or they may be using it for appointment management or sending messages, birthday or anniversary messages to patients, or maintaining patient lists. Nothing more than that. So primarily, these guys, sell and run away. Sales support is almost zero. We are not doing that. We don't sell licenses. We don't sell licenses of our platform to anyone. That is not our business style. TopDoc is primarily a next level business platform for specialists and dental clinics. Okay. And we solve, I'm repeating, some very fundamental business problems that clinics face. Changing the slide. Okay. So now, dentists and specialists are primarily clinicians. Okay. They are trained to deliver great clinical care to the patients. They are not trained as businessmen. Okay. So, like any other business, clinic is a small business. And like any other business, 1 out of 1,000 businesses do really well, and all other things will be at various phases of vegetation. And many of them at the tail end start dying. That's what happens in clinics. So basically, we help these clinics to peak perform in spite of all the shortcomings, managerial or support-wise, managerial-wise, so that the dentist who is really good and trained to deliver great clinical care, he will focus on that. Everything else, we do it using our platform. We don't license, but we use the thing for delivering services. Why? Even if we license it to their clinics, they will not use it, like what has been happening in the market now. So it is futile to really license the thing to them and then get a bad name in the market. So we use our platform and then use our manpower to help clinics peak perform. So the dentists, the clinicians focus on what they do best, and we do the rest. And here we have peak performing clinics. They make money, we make money. And we make money, they make money. So that is the relationship. Okay. So now, but the problem here is, in these clinics, the main problem is this. There is no bond between the clinic and then the patient. The clinicians think that, trust and skill is the bond. But what they forget is trust and skill cannot be built over one visit of the patient or two visits of the patient. That is a problem. And there is no guarantee, absolutely no guarantee that a patient who has come today, once he leaves the clinic, will come back to the clinic again. No way. And there is another problem. There is no way to figure out for the doctor, for the clinic, whether the patient is satisfied, what is the clinical outcome of the treatment. No way to find out, because the patient has not come back. Even if he's come back, he will come for the balance treatment, but once he is gone, he is gone. Will not come back. That is the statistics. What we surveyed a lot in the market, whether the international markets are here. This is what is happening, and then clinics resort to unsustainable marketing, spending a lot of money. A lot of people go to these clinics and scam them, and with no results. They get leads, very few leads get converted. So referral growth, very little. Referral growth primarily will be around 10-15%, which is unsustainable. Okay, so now, on one side you have clinics who have serious business problems, and another side we have a business platform, and we can really solve that problem. So how do you sell it? Easy. So we approach the clinics, do a free business analysis with dignity and confidence, because typical sales guys do not get respect at these clinics. Here, you're going there to help them in their business, partnering with them. So you get dignity and respect. Then, once we do a business analysis, we tell them where actually there are missing links, where they need to strengthen themselves, and how their issues can be resolved. One sitting, half an hour, 40 minutes. Clinician knows where his problems are. We know what his kundali is. We know where his financial situation. We know how this patient practice is running, where his problems, and we know how to close a deal. Because anyone, just like I have a medical condition, I go to a clinic. Here, the doctor runs the test, and once he runs the test, he will give a prescription. We don't have any option but to go and then buy the medicines and then take it. Similarly, you go to a clinic, you run a business analysis, you get the results, like test results. Here you have analysis results. Tell the guy, like the patient is sick, he is sick, he has issues. Tell them that, look, give a prescription. Your solution is write more services. No other thing, even God cannot help them. So second meeting, third meeting, deal is done. They're onboarded. Okay. So we're not selling any licenses. We're partnering with them. We deliver services, they pay us on a footfall basis. Every footfall we get paid. Okay, this is how Banza Health delivers services to the customers. So now we are looking for great guys. Visit our website trueheart.in or topdog.ai. Careers page careers.topdog.ai or trueheart.in/careers. Visit these websites. You understand we are hiring a lot of people. We need great people. We don't want silly guys. We want people who want to make a difference, in the healthcare space. Then once you understand what we do, consult our recruiter. They'll be very helpful. This a profiler form need to be filled in. Please fill the profiler form. By doing so, you will understand what we are and we will understand what you are. Okay. Once done, there will be 4 hiring rounds over 3 days, 2 to 3 days. Round 1, we'll be doing a skills understanding. We just want to understand, and we also will tell you what I told 80-30% of what we are. Balance whatever you have issues, you can ask them, and then we will ask you few questions to find out whether you are a skill fit or not. Then in round 2, we'll check whether you'll fit for the type of work what you are looking for, or the type of skill the tech skills you have, whether you'll be able to execute, whether you have the kind of domain experience, what is required, things like that. So it will be a conversation. Once done, the third round will check whether you are a cultural fit or not. And then there will be the final round, which is an admin round. We'll sit across with you, go through your pay slips, all that stuff, make an offer, give you an offer letter, and we are done. You can start getting ready to work for us. We will not give you a lot of time. We give you a lot of good package. Okay. So, consult our recruiter. He or she will be able to brief you, and we are done. We are set. Okay. So, I'm looking forward to really talk to you guys. Okay, this is a great opportunity. You will be able to build a career and make a lot of money. Okay, and grow with the company, because we are going to grow heavily within the country and outside the country also. So the people who are really good will have opportunities outside also. Okay, I'm looking forward to meeting you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.